You guys, it's your girl Ree. I'm on here about to cook for you guys again. So, I've been trying to lose a little bit of weight, you guys. And it's so hard trying to prep meals, so hard trying to eat healthy and knowing what to get and what to buy and how to prepare it, especially when you grew up on, like that soul food, Belizean food, fatty food, like it wasn't like, oh, we're having a salad for dinner, you guys, or it was, that food that's gonna make you thick. So as an adult, it's really hard to eat those foods because I'm not young anymore. So I need something more balanced to maintain my weight. So I am trying to learn, you guys. So doing it on my own didn't work. I would cook and then I will not cook and then I will eat out and then it's not a good balance. So what I did was order from this place called HelloFresh. So you order from them. You can order for the whole week or 3 days or 2 days or 4 days. And they send you a healthy meal with the ingredients and how to make it. They have a variety of options. And I'm going to try it, you guys. Like, I've slimmed down just a little bit, but I need to go a lot more. And it's going to be harder and harder if I'm not eating right. I'm already trying the workout thing. I bought the elliptical. I'm running. I fixed me and my son's bikes. And we're riding. But at the end of the day, if I'm not eating right, working out and eating right, it goes hand in hand. I mean, you can do it. If you're eating bad and working out, you'll have something. Or if you're eating good and not working out, you'll get something. But I want the full result, you guys. I deserve to drop the weight that I want to drop. But I need a little bit of help, okay? So the first meal, don't quote me on my bad pronunciation. Balsamic fig chicken with roasted potatoes and lemony broccoli. This is my first choice. Well, I ordered 3 choices. They brought me 3. And this is what my son wanted to cook tonight. And you see how it has a picture of the food. And on the other side, step by step, it shows you how to prepare it. And it's so cute, you guys. Let me show you. Oh, I can't switch it over. Okay, so it comes in this big old box. HelloFresh. And then in the box, it comes with what you need. Like, this is the bag it comes in. And it shows you the name. And then inside it has all the ingredients. We have the broccoli. We have the seasonings. Some vinegar, you guys. What is this? Ooh, Fig Reserve. I don't know where I'm going to put this at. It looks like jelly, like apricot jelly or something. Jam, but that's not what it is. It just says Fig Reserves. I don't know what I'm putting this on, but we're going to figure it out with the instructions. And then we have the lemon to clean the chicken. Chicken! Hello, chicken, you guys. It comes in this little bag. I put it in the fridge. And then, I don't know what this is. Rosemary or basil? Which one is it, you guys? And then, they have some chicken seasoning sauce. And then the potatoes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 8 potatoes in here. And then onion. So we're going to go step by step on how to create this, you guys. I'm trying to eat healthier, eat better, eat different. I'm sick of the same foods, Black people or, not necessarily black people, American people, we cook the same things. Spaghetti, tacos, burgers, hot dogs, chicken. I'm so sick of it. I want to try something else. Okay, yeah, I want to travel and taste different foods, but if I can't, I'm going to bring those foods to me, you guys. I'm going to bring it to me. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to cook. That's step one. I showed you guys the bag. We're about to prepare it. I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. I almost messed up. I almost started cooking without even looking at the paper. Like, I was about to start broiling, whatever, these potatoes. It doesn't say to do that. No, 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 no. I have to cut these up while they're like this, not broiled or anything. Chop them up and put it in the oven with the 450 Fahrenheit. And just throw some black pepper and salt and olive oil on top of it. I would have not done that on my own. So I'm about to rinse these off, cut them up, put them in the oven. I don't use salt, so I'm about to put some garlic powder and I'm about to put some black pepper, maybe a little garlic salt. I don't know yet. And throw these in the oven, you guys. Let's rinse them off. Oh, I'm recording. Okay. I'm up here waiting. All right, don't judge me, you guys, okay? Because I usually cut potatoes when they're cooked and soft, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Okay, let's try it. So it wants, I can't even really see it. Oh shoot. Let's back it on up. Let's see. Okay. Get into focus. Focus. Oh, it wasn't focused. I had a dirty lens. Okay. So I'm horrible at cutting, you guys, and I don't even have a chop knife. I need to really upgrade, but this is what we're gonna do. Oh, it's really not even that hard. Okay, what kind of potato? What? Oh, it's just called roast potatoes. Or is it telling me to roast potatoes? Roast the potatoes. It's not saying what type of potatoes it is. Maybe it is roast potatoes. Okay, because this cut really easy. Okay, so I see why they're saying I can bake it because it's so easy to cut. I don't think I'm gonna cut it as fine as they did. Like, they have little squares, you guys. I don't got the patience or the right knife. So, I'm doing something.
You're almost done.
I just started. Anyway, so,
What's that?
yeah. TJ, you not about to get up on here with a robe on. So stop trying to. So you guys, I'm gonna cut it like it's some chips. Don't play with me.
Mom.
Don't play with me.
I'm trying to open the fridge.
Don't play with me. Hold on, you guys. I gotta act up real quick. Hold on. So I'm gonna cut it like some thin, not even thin. It probably cook longer than it's saying. Then it says 22 to 25 minutes, but because I'm cutting them bigger, I'm sorry, let me wash my hands. My hair not dirty though. I just washed my hair. Okay, I have to wash my hands because I just scratched my head like a crackhead. But let me scoot down because I feel like I'm not in this video. Okay. So, yeah, I'm not gonna cut it as fine as they're cutting it. Does nobody want to eat no little squares of potatoes? I think this is fine enough. It's not cutting that bad to not be a cutting knife, to be honest. You know, the chop knife, it's not too bad, you guys. See see why I'm only doing it the size I'm doing it, because this is not the proper knife. Okay, you guys, so I've cut all of the potatoes, the roasted potatoes, but I didn't cut them as small as they are on the picture. That focus is horrible. Or is my screen just dirty? Okay, my screen is just dirty again. I don't know why I always think it's the focus. It's my screen. How did this get so wet? What's wet over here? So look how tiny they cut it on this #1 picture. That's not what I'm gonna do. Horrible knife, lazy as hell. That's me. This is why I am at where I'm at right now. So first step, you guys, cutting the potatoes. Putting it in here. I'm going to put some spam spray, you know, olive oil spray. I'm gonna put this here. Let me just do it, you know. Dang, my whole shirt is wet now. So let's see if I can. Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna spray some of this organic extra virgin olive oil. Bam, bam, bam. You spray like you spraying your hair. Like, I'm just being extra. So I'm gonna spray this on here. The directions say to throw this in here. Doop, 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 doop. Don't mind my background, you guys, because I'm cleaning and cooking at the same time. And then black pepper and salt. I don't use salt when I cook, you guys. So I'm going to do garlic powder and black pepper. Look at me. I'm here again. Okay. So garlic salt, just a tad bit. Just a tad little bit. I think that's enough, to be honest, because it's going to trash. It's going to marinate. You guys, usually I would have put that right back up in here, but I haven't cleaned, so trash. And a little bit of black pepper. Okay, if I lose one more, I'm going to be angry. And then a little bit of garlic powder. I'm looking for my olive oil. Ooh, that one almost fell out, you guys. It almost fell out. I would have been upset. I would have been highly upset. Okay, so then it doesn't say how much olive oil, you guys. So I'm just going to pour just enough so it don't get stuck to the pot. And I'm going to mix. Organic, I put some organic extra virgin olive oil. I think I'm going to put a little bit more black pepper, you guys. Just a little bit, because the olive oil kind of just rinsed everything off. So one more round of everything. And that was garlic powder. And a little bit of garlic salt, you guys. Barely any of that. Because I don't like using salt, but garlic salt is a better alternative. Okay, so now this is about to go in the oven. Okay, you guys, so now it's telling me to just put the broccoli. Put the broccoli on the plate. It wants me to cut up the lemon in 4 sections. Voila. Super handy. Okay. Wants me to cut up the onion. I don't know what that is in the little corner though. I see the onion. What is that? Because they did not give me whatever that is. That little picture is in the corner. I don't see that. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna use a knife to cut this because it's taking too long. No. Everything is falling, you guys. Okay, so I'm about to cut it up. Ah! Falling apart. They didn't even say what kind of onion this was. What kind of onion is this? Looks different. Dang, I keep dropping everything on the floor, you guys. I ain't gonna have no food by the end of this. I'm really not. Okay, so we got some onions. I'm not really an onion person, so I'm not about to cut the whole onion up. I'm gonna save that for another meal. Okay, so we got the broccoli, we got the lemon, we got the onions, and now I need to cut up the rosemary. I don't even know if that too. Don't try that at home, kids. All right, it says to pick off the rosemary, off the leaves. This is why I don't be cooking, you guys. It's so tedious. I'm already ready to be done, but it's okay. So I'm about to have a healthy meal. I'm about to feel good, and it's about to taste good. Was I extra or what? I'd even rinse the rosemary, you guys. It's okay though, I think. Let's get it all off of here, because you know how food spoil. If you don't use it, it's like you might as well just throw it away, because by the time you're ready to use it again, it is trash, spoiled, and old. Almost done with number 2. And then the next part is cooking the meat, you guys. Okay, so, what does it want me to do? Leaves, stems, discard stems. All right, chop zest, quarter lemon, cut broccoli, florets. I'm not about to cut the broccoli. And 1 inch, if necessary, toss on a second baking sheet with a drizzle of oil, salt, and pepper. Roast on middle of rack. Okay, so they want me to cook this for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna, okay, the first thing, they wanted me to cook the potatoes for 22 to 25 minutes. So since they want me to cook this from 12 to 15 minutes, I'm going to wait for at least 10 minutes to pass, and then I'm going to add this to the potato plate. They want me to cook the lemon like that too? That's a bit different. So here you guys go. I don't know if you can see. You see the rosemary, you see the onions, you see the lemon, you see the broccoli. And in 10 minutes, now I know what time it is, I'm going to add this to the potato tray that's in the oven. And off to cook the chicken. Okay, you guys, so it's time to prepare the chicken. I'm gonna put it on low heat. I'm pouring a little olive oil. To get it going. Oop, don't look over there. Yes, I'm drinking a BuzzBall. So here is the chicken. I cleaned it with lemon. Oh shit. And yeah, there we go. We're gonna turn it to medium heat now. a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of garlic salt, and then a little bit of black pepper. This is all the ingredients it's telling me to put on here, you guys. And I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing once. I'm ready. So yeah, we're gonna let this simmer. We got the veggies and potatoes and rosemary, everything inside of the oven ready to cook. And we're just waiting for that to be done. And we're gonna add the ingredients, you guys. We're almost done here. I'm gonna properly put my phone somewhere. So, I didn't know I'm supposed to put the jam and the vinegar before I put the chicken on the stove. But I'm sure I can still get the sauces to mix. So, we're putting in the jam. I told you guys this was jam. Before I even read it, I knew it just looked like jam. So I'm putting all the jam, you guys, inside of this pot with the chicken. And then the vinegar. And then I'm going to try to roll it around as much as I can. Alright, I already put the other ingredients in, so my bad. And now I'm pouring in the vinegar and the jam. And we're going to mix it in all together, you guys. Ooh, my phone's hot now. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's see if I can still get the taste that it's trying to make inside the chicken. I can, yeah, it's flowing. It's flowing. It's going all in there. Good. Okay. So I didn't fuck up. I mean, I didn't mess up, you guys, because it's still simmering in there. Good. Perfect. So what's new, you guys? I know I'm not the greatest cook, and it's starting to look yummy, you guys. I'm about to poke some little holes in it because I like to make sure my chicken is like all the way done. I would throw up if I checked the middle and oh shit, shoot, and then like it wasn't. So yeah. So it's basically done, you guys. I'm gonna let this simmer, let this cook, and then I'm gonna add the potatoes, the broccoli, the lemon, the rosemary, everything onto here. Woo!